10 fascinating facts about dragonfly you never knew. A dragonfly is a flying insect belonging to the infraorder Anisoptera below the order Odonata. About 3,000 extant species of dragonflies are known. Most are tropical, with fewer species in temperate regions. Loss of wetland habitat threatens dragonfly populations around the world. Adult dragonflies are characterized by a pair of large, multifaceted, compound eyes, 2 pairs of strong, transparent wings, sometimes with colored patches, and an elongated body. Many dragonflies have brilliant iridescent or metallic colors produced by structural coloration, making them conspicuous in flight. An adult dragonfly's compound eyes have nearly 24,000 ommatidia each. Dragonflies can be mistaken for the closely related damselflies, which make up the other Odonatan infraorder, Zygoptera, and are similar in body plan, though usually lighter in build. However, the wings of most dragonflies are held flat and away from the body, while damselflies hold their wings folded at rest, along or above the abdomen. Dragonflies are agile flyers, while damselflies have a weaker, fluttery flight. Dragonflies make use of motion camouflage when attacking prey or rivals. Dragonflies live on every continent except Antarctica. In contrast to the damselflies, Zygoptera, which tend to have restricted distributions, some genera and species are spread across continents. Many dragonflies, particularly males, are territorial. Some defend a territory against others of their own species, some against other species of dragonfly, and a few against insects in unrelated groups. Fact 1. Dragonflies are ancient survivors. Dragonflies have existed for over 300 million years, dating back to prehistoric times. Fossil evidence shows that ancient dragonflies had wingspans of over 2 feet. Fact 2. They have exceptional vision. Their large compound eyes give them near 360-degree vision, allowing them to detect prey and predators effortlessly. Each eye is made up of thousands of tiny lenses, making their vision incredibly sharp. Fact 3. Masters of flight. Dragonflies can move each of their 4 wings independently, allowing them to hover, glide, and even fly backward. They are one of the fastest flying insects, reaching speeds up to 35 miles per hour, 56 kilometers per hour. Fact 4. Deadly hunters. Dragonflies are top predators in the insect world, with a 95% success rate when hunting prey. They can catch mosquitoes, flies, and even other dragonflies mid-flight. Fact 5. Incredible lifespan and metamorphosis. Dragonflies spend most of their life underwater as larvae before transforming into winged adults. Some species live as larvae for up to 5 years before emerging. Fact 6. Symbolism across cultures. In Japan, dragonflies symbolize strength and courage. Some Native American tribes consider them messengers of change and wisdom. Fact 7. They are nature's pest control. Dragonflies help control mosquito populations, eating hundreds of mosquitoes per day. They play an essential role in maintaining ecological balance. Fact 8. Unique mating rituals. Dragonflies form a heart-shaped pose when mating. Some males guard their mates to prevent rival dragonflies from mating with them. Fact 9. They can survive harsh environments. Some dragonflies migrate over thousands of miles, similar to birds. The globe skimmer dragonfly flies over 4,400 miles across oceans. Fact 10. Some can regenerate damaged wings. Unlike many insects, some species can repair minor wing damage and continue flying. This makes them resilient survivors even after injuries. They are not just hunters or survivors, they are nature's poets, writing silent verses in the air with every flick of their delicate wings. Whether darting over a still pond or soaring into the unknown, dragonflies whisper a timeless truth. Life is fleeting, but in motion, in growth, and in change, we find our greatest strength. As the sun sets and the golden light reflects off shimmering wings, the dragonfly reminds us of the beauty in transformation. From the depths of the water to the freedom of the sky, it carries a legacy of resilience, precision, and grace. These tiny aerial acrobats have danced through history, symbols of change and adaptability across cultures. So the next time you spot a dragonfly gliding effortlessly across the water, take a moment to admire its quiet mastery. A reminder that, like this ancient creature, we too are meant to embrace transformation and soar.